how to turn on or turn off keyboard predictive text on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now from here, we go down and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then tap on Predictive Text. In the list of languages, tap on the toggle button right next to the language that you would like to use predictive text. Down here, you can also choose to turn on predict phrases as well. For the first time of using it, the phone will attempt to download the required software. So here it's downloading the required language for that predict phrases. Okay, so that's done. Now we can switch it on or off as needed. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.